Hello Primary 3, welcome back to school. This is Chapter 1, Lesson 63. Let's begin. Well, at the end of this lesson, you should know that you have to use any strategies that you know to find the product or to solve your story problem. And you have to know how to use estimation in product, estimation in multiplication, using any strategy that you want, your own strategy, but you have to compare it with the actual solution to find it's accurate or not. I have here lesson keywords. So the keywords here is distributive property, estimation, actual product, strategies. The tools that we need in this, before we start, please bring your booklet, your pencil, your ruler, and your notebook. Okay, let's solve our story problems. First story problem we have here. Mariam went to the store and she bought 4 books for 11 LE each. How much money did she pay? So I have here 1, 2, 3, 4 books, and each box is for 11 LE. So 11, so she paid 11 plus 11 plus 11 plus 11. Or I can say that she paid 4 by 11 because I jumped by 11 4 times. That is the multiplication fact. 4 by 11, it's not something that I can find, so I will decompose it into 10 plus 1 because I don't know what is the multiplication fact of 11. So 4 by 10 plus 1, it's more easy for me. So I will distribute it into 4 by 10 plus 4 by 1. 4 by 10 is 40 and 4 by 1 is 4. So 40 plus 4 is 44 LE. I have here another problem. Farha has 15 ducks. If each duck laid 3 eggs, how many eggs does Farah had? So I have 15 duck. Each duck lays 3 eggs. So I will multiply them to find the number of eggs. So 3 by 15, it's not easy to find it. So I will decompose 15 into 2 parts. 3 by 10 plus 5. Now I will distribute it to 3 by 10 plus 3 by 5. 3 by 10 is 30 and 3 by 5 is 15. So 30 and 15 will give me 45 eggs. A farmer has 18 small apple trees. If each tree has 6 apples, how many apples are there in all? So if I want to know the number of all the apples, I have 18 small tree and 6 apples for each tree. So I have here 6 plus 6 plus 6, 18 times. Or I can say that I have 6 by 18. So 6 by 18, I can't find it, so I will decompose 18 into 2 parts. It's more easy for me to find the 10 plus 8 because the multiplication factor of 10 is easy for me. So now I will distribute it into 6 by 10 plus 6 by 8. 6 by 10 is 60 and 6 by 8 is 48. So I will add them together. It's going to be 108 apple. Can you find the product of 6 by 7 without thinking or using the multiplication facts? If yes, tell me how. If you can't, just watch this video about estimation and you will know. Scan this and you will use it to watch the video. Show your work to find the product of the following. My friend Sarah here, she doesn't know what the product of 4 by 9. So she's going to estimate the product, and here I have the actual product to see if the estimation is accurate. Let's see what Sarah is going to do. Here I have 4 by 9. I don't know what 4 by 9 is, so I will say that 4 by 5 that I know is 20. And I know that 5 is smaller than 9. So 20 must be smaller than the product of 4 by 9. And I know the product of 4 by 10 is 40. Then the product of 4 by 9 must be smaller than 4 by 10, because 9 is smaller than 10. So the product of 4 by 9 must be between 20 and 40, because 9 is greater than 5 and smaller than 10. Is this correct? Let's see if this is correct. We will see here the actual product. The actual product of 4 by 9 is 36. So 36 is between 20 and 40. So that what you did is great, very great, Sarah. Let's see. We have here 8 by 5 by 3. Can you find the product of 8 by 5 by 3, Sarah? I don't know what's the product of 8 by 5 by 3. But I know that 8 is closer to 10. So I will remove this 8 and I will put here 10. Because it's more simple for me. So 10 by 5 by 3 is easy for me. 5 by 3 equal 15. So I will put here 15. And I will multiply 15 by the 10 here. And I will use the 10's multiplication facts. So 10 by 15 equal 150. So I think that it will be less than 150 because 8 is more than 10. Let's see what you did is correct or not. This is the actual product here. We have 40 by 3. I multiplied 8 by 5. It gave me 40 and 3 that out there. So 40 by 3 will give you 120. So 4 by 3 out, and I put the 0 as a 10. So this is how I do it. Or I can say that 4 by 3 is 12 and I will drop down 0. So it's 120. You said it's less than 150, so that's correct. Very good, Sarah. This is how you use estimation when you find the actual product is accurate to the estimation you do. Clap your hands for Sarah. Show your work to solve story problems. If Carla had 7 baskets, each basket held 9 bananas, then the number of bananas in all baskets. To find the number of bananas in all baskets, we're going to multiply 7 by 9. So I have here 7 by 9. Let's see, I don't know what's the product of 7 by 9, so I will estimate it and see if it's accurate. I will have here the actual product. Okay, 7 by 9. I don't know what's the multiplication of 7 by 9, but I know the multiplication of 7 by 5 is 35. And 9 is greater than 5, so the product of 7 by 9 is greater than 35. And I know that 7 by 10 equals 70. And 9 is less than 10. Then the product of 7 by 9 is less than 70. So the product of 7 by 9 must be between 35 and 70. Let's see the actual product. The actual product of 7 by 9 is 63. 63 is between 35 and 70, so this is accurate. We have here Hadi bought 5 boxes, each filled with 10 batteries. If the price of one battery is 3 LE, then the price of batteries in all boxes is 5 by 10 by 3. Okay, I have here 5 boxes. Each box has 10 and the one is for 3. So 5 by 10 by 3. Let's see the estimation of this. Okay, I can say that 5 by 10 equal 50. 5 by 10 that I have in first. And I will put here 5 by 10 by 3 must be greater than 50. Because I know 5 by 10 is 50. And when I multiply it by 3, it must be greater than 50. So I don't know what's the product of 5 by 10 by 3, but I know that it's going to be greater than 50. So I will jump by 53 times. It will give me the actual product. I think it's going to be 150. Let's see the actual product. I have here 5 by 10 equal 50. So 50 by 3 will be 150. You can just say 5 by 3 equal 15 and we'll drop down 0. Or you can say 5 by 3 and put 10 outside. So it equals 150. So my estimation was correct. If Farid bought 9 balloons for 15 LE each, then the price of all the balloons, what should I do? So I will multiply here 15 by 9. But I don't know what's the product of 15 by 9. It's not easy. So I will estimate it and I will see here the actual product if my estimation was correct. So I know the multiplication of 5 by 10. This is the greatest thing I know. I don't know what's more than that. So 9 by 10 equal 90. But 15 is greater than 10. So 9 by 15 must be greater than 90. So I don't know what is it, but it's greater than 90. Let's see. 9 by 15 equal 135. It's greater than 90, so my estimation was correct. This is all for today. Thank you for listening.